The 2026 Audi Q7 ushers in the third generation of Audi's midsize flagship SUV, replacing the aging second-gen model that debuted in 2014. Its refreshed exterior showcases a more assertive and athletic design. Inside, the cabin is set to be one of the most tech-forward in its class. Expect an asymmetric dashboard with a large central touchscreen, triangular air vents, and few physical buttons, paired with a separate passenger-side display for media and navigation controls. Audi's updated MMI system and Virtual Cockpit digital over-the-shoulder display bring enhanced graphics and functionality. Materials like soft-touch trims, suede-like Dinamica accents, and generous headroom and legroom throughout make it feel upscale and spacious. Under the hood, the 2026 Q7 is anticipated to offer a lineup of modern power units. Engineers aim to include a turbocharged V6 engine with a 48V mild hybrid setup, and for the first time, a plug-in hybrid variant featuring a 25 kWh battery pack to deliver over 40 miles of electric-only driving range. This aligns with Audi's electrification strategy and enhances efficiency for daily use. The new premium platform, PPC, architecture underpins the redesigned Q7, supporting both combustion and electrified powertrains while improving ride comfort and rigidity. Expect responsive handling aided by optional adaptive air suspension, plus all-wheel drive as standard. Though Audi hasn't confirmed final figures, towing capacity and driving dynamics should meet or exceed those of rivals like the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLE. Tech and safety are on the next-level agenda as well. The 2026 Q7 is expected to offer Level 2 Plus autonomy, including Smart Remote Park Assist Plus and advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot warning, and surround view cameras. Premium versions may also include configurable ambient lighting, upgraded sound systems, and acoustic glazed windows to enhance passenger comfort.